watch him on the block and it him 1, 2, 3. Your friend gets up on me doggy shit and pee. When he had the loud from the P90. Your mother run a ball and then she black 90.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back in the with another video for you guys. Right now, people have Magic D1 Dan 1, 2, 3 official music video. And you guys been from this long time ago. You see me I say? Just I give it to the right now. You see me I say? So it's something I've been on for 3 months. You know what I mean? Trinidad song, you don't know. My friends, I think represent the Maniac side. You don't know that already. I can see what I'm going for the video. Like out the video. Comment on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We're on the road to 40k subscribers. We only need 40k before the end of December, the end of this year. So 40k, we are slapped that in the face by the end of this year. Today's lineup is Trini, Guyana, and Belize. 3 videos I get today. So, ready for the entertainment? Right tune. Any props in? Yeah, it ties them fake. Magic the one done.
Hello.
Trouble, I forgot that Trinidad video I react to. On the outside, I have to turn now on Zessa. I have to turn now on Zessa when I react to them Trinidad song. You know? We can't just there simple so again, you know. We have to turn now on Zessa when it comes to the Trinidad reaction them. Cause I feel this about the ladies. For the summer, what the ladies? For the summer, you know what song there? Which song they come from? Drop it in the comment section. You know me like keep my video them raw already. You know, I don't cut out nothing, no. I don't sugarcoat nothing over your son. You hear me? I got hide, but I still have it on, yeah, man. Alright, run through.
Pull up. Number is this one?
My boy call him.
Hello.
Magic with the fuck by dog, boy.
What?
Your name Virgin and I'm real fucking on by Dan, boy. Yeah.
What?
Anyway, I'll see how it's plenty me fucking head by Dan, boy.
All that bad man talking first boy, you want to bring it now, boy. You not all that talking now, matter of fact, no line there.
Rocks it. Yeah, man, call and run off your mouth. If you're a bad man, do the works and stuff and chatting with the man, brother, you come and dog, yo, man, I chat on Trinidad people, them try bad now. Dog boy. You know them accent diff, but not about that. Go on. Big up Fresh the Creator says speak.
Yo, Dan King.
Big up Dan King.
If it's a war, tell them bring it and come.
Hey!
Lift up every rifle and every handgun.
Alright!
Rock City, the spots roll up big ton. Let we march on the men's and shut the place down.
Dog say if it's a war them want, dog, tell them to bring it and done. The dog gonna lift every rifle. He's gonna lift up every rifle people and every single handgun. Cause go on.
If it's a war, tell them bring it and come.
That's what they
Lift
want.
up every rifle and every handgun. Rock City, the spots roll up big ton. Let we march on the men's and shut the place down. Big belly ma take me a squeeze. Eat up them food like chicken, rice and peas.
Boom. Big belly we a squeeze. Eat them a chicken, rice and peas. Buckley. What more I see that person run on the step with the gun a while ago?
Big belly ma take me a squeeze. Eat up them food like chicken,
rice and peas.
Boy, Moro gone with the breeze. Kill them easy like 1, 2, 3. Big belly ma take we a squeeze. Eat up them food like chicken, rice and peas. Boy, Moro gone with the breeze. Kill them easy like 1, 2.
Buckley now with application part there. You know say big belly ma take we a squeeze. Eat them food like chicken, rice and peas. Boy, Moro gone with the breeze. Buckley! What the lighter there? Run it down, run back a little bit. Go on!
Eat up them food like chicken, rice and peas. Boy, Moro gone with the breeze. Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. They know the salary and lift the K lying in the bush.
Yeah.
Them boy must be a yo for bills and push.
Yeah.
Inna your face gunshot me go push.
Yeah.
Boom boom. Out of your face the blood rush. Me have a 12 get to any age. Me don't wanna hear nothing but no.
Can I run back in the part there? Run back in the part there.
Till them me see like 1, 2, 3. Bring out the salary and lift the K lying in the bush.
Yeah.
Them boy must be a yo for bills and push.
Yeah.
Inna your face gunshot me go push. Boom boom. Out of your face the blood rush. Me
Yeah.
have a 12 get to any age. Me don't wanna hear nothing but no small man thing. Cause if them see a small man catch a lapsing dog, them will make bullet boy your skin. So me go murder the big belly man take me a squeeze. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Boy Moroccan with the breeze. Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. Big belly man take me a squeeze. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Boy Moroccan with the breeze. Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. Let me catch him on the block and hit him 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Your friend got over me doggy.
Catch him on the block, I hit you 1, 2, 3. Hey, boom, class.
Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. Let me catch him on the block and hit him 1, 2, 3. Your friend got over me doggy shit and pee. When he had the loud from the P90. Your mother run a goal and then she black 90. Oh God, my son, why you take him now? The boy was so young. He never bought a gun. So tell them big belly man take me a squeeze. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Run a goal and then she black. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Boy Moroccan with the breeze. Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. Let me catch him on the block and hit him 1, 2, 3. Your friend got up on me doggy shit and pee.
Yeah.
When he had the loud from the P90.
Chicken chest.
Your mother run a goal and then she black 90.
Yeah.
Oh God, my son.
Chop.
Why you take?
Look at that. And the mother at the bar, you know? And the mother, so the mother bar. Oh God, my son. Why you take me son? Oh Lord.
No,
Hey.
the boy was so young.
Chop.
He never bought a gun. So
Chop.
tell them big belly man take me a squeeze. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Boy Moroccan with the breeze.
Oh, so easy them catch you. And you call man and send that chat a while ago. And you're a bad man. And you call man a while ago start having this. Hey, boy, dog, boy, you're going to badness. So I want to go on. I want to go on. I'm going to eat the food right now like a chicken rice and peas. I know about that. Why you know about that? Come here, my conky. Come here. Behave yourself. Go on!
Like 1, 2, 3. Big belly man take me a squeeze. Eat up them full of chicken rice and peas. Boy Moroccan with the breeze. Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3.
Please don't have me alive. That I look at my boy face, dog. That I look at the dog face. Me forget this done now. No, I'm not like that style. Just pull up the ear. Remember the razor made having last week, yeah. But dog, man, I beg for him.
Kill them me see like 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
I'll see man have them man for real.
Them know me bad, them know me bad, them know me bad, bad. Them know me bad, me bad, me bad.
Bad.
One done. Trinidad.
Chucky.
No.
Big up everybody right there. Say no chat. Go big up everybody. Big up everybody. Big up to you for watching the video. Make sure I'm not miss nothing else. Alright, big up Fresh Creator one more time again. Big up everybody. Thanks for watching my video. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. Guys, please go and follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. I'm trying to reach 10k followers over there. I am currently sitting at 5,350 right now. So go and follow me on Instagram. If I don't have giveaways when I hit 10k, so go over there. Run, go over there. Big up on yourself. Peace.